Hi, I'm Lorna from Wearably Weird, and today I'm going to show you how to tie a heel lock on your running sneakers. Now, this is an awesome lacing technique to use if you end up with blisters after running, as it really keeps your shoes so tight that your feet won't slide around inside them when you're working out. First step is to place your foot inside the shoe, and then you want to go ahead and locate these extra little holes that you may have seen on your running sneakers here. And what you want to do is take your lace and push it down into this extra eyelet here from above, not from underneath, until you create a little loop, just like this. Leave it like that on that side, go to the other side and do the same. Put it down into that eyelet from above, pull it through and just leave a little loop like that. Now you have these loops, what you want to do is go ahead and take your laces, cross them over just like this, and then put each lace end down through that loop, just like this, and again on this side. Then you want to go ahead and tighten up these heel loops a little bit. So we're going to pull here till that snatches that lace in there like that. And on this side, pull the loop till it tightens up and snatches the lace in there. Then you can go ahead, pull your laces through until they tighten up, and you'll find you have a really tight and fixed fit. Go ahead, bow your laces as usual, and then you'll find when you're running in your sneakers, your feet will be held really firmly in place by these extra little lock loops here. Repeat on your other sneaker for a really stable running experience, blister free. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button to help it reach more people. Thanks a lot, guys.